This is a project site of KOWLOON in China. The raw materials of the customer are mainly construction wood, logs, hardwood, and bamboo. We put these raw materials into the drum wood chipper, crush them into wood chips or bamboo chips, and then crush them through the JLSD wood hammer mill, and finally 3 to 8 mm sawdust and bamboo shavings come out. This is a drum chipper produced by KOWLOON machinery. It can crush logs, branches, and waste wood into small wood chips of 30 to 60 mm. The simple combination of the two main machines, the drum chipper and the wood crusher, becomes a simple wood sawdust production line. Look, the crushed small wood chips enter the JLSD wood hammer mill through the conveyor belt, and the wood chips that come out after being crushed by the wood grinder are 1 to 10 mm. Take a close look at the drum chipper of KOWLOON machinery. The quality and craftsmanship can be seen. KOWLOON machinery's JLSD wood hammer mill has stable performance and excellent quality. The size of the finished product after crushing is 1 to 10 mm. This is the project site of KOWLOON Machinery Wood Recycling Production Line. The raw materials of the customer are mainly construction wood, wood boards, and waste wood. These raw materials are crushed by the SWC model chipper to produce 30 to 60 mm with chips, and then crushed by the JLSD model with hammer mill to produce 1 to 10 mm sawdust. This is the project site of KOWLOON Machinery Wood Recycling Production Line. For wood sawdust line projects like this one, KOWLOON Machinery has cooperated with many companies. Many users are old users of KOWLOON Machinery. They choose to cooperate with us for the second time or even multiple times because they believe in our product quality and service. What are the uses of these wood chips? Users can further process them into wood pellets or biomass pellets for power generation or home heating, and can also be used for organic fertilizer production, mushroom cultivation, furniture factories,